Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to import video inside your Filmora. So first of all, what I need you to do guys is basically go ahead and open Wondershare Filmora version 12 and then this window will be opened for you. Now, go ahead and make sure that you are connected to your account. So as you can see here, I'm connected. If you are not, just go and connect using like Gmail, Facebook or Twitter account and it will be really fast. Right after you're done with this step, go ahead and choose the aspect ratio that will be compatible with your project. For me, I will choose the widescreen. You can choose whatever the aspect ratio that will be compatible with your project. So let's go down now and create a new project. Now, how can you actually get media? Well, there is multiple ways. For example, if you click on file, you can open like import media from here and import like a video. And so, for example, let's go here and click here, import files. So as you can see, also there is this button or the icon when you first open up an empty project, it will be like that. So click on it and you can drag any file as well. Also, there is this import in here which allows you to import a video. So let's try, for example, click on this icon and then add a video. So as you can see, it is added here. To be able to edit it, you can just drag it over here. Now, as you can see, here it is. So in case you wanted to add more videos, you can just keep clicking on this import media from here and keep adding as much videos that you want. And you can also add not only videos, also images, and so go on. And if you want to edit your video from here, you can just click here. You see all the settings of your video. You can add the mask, AI tools, animation, audio, color, speed, and so go on. The list will be so long. And yeah, that's what's it, guys. And thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.